Hello everybody, welcome to today's daily video, which is Zcash Trading Masterclass. I'm recording this video on Saturday. By the time I release this, the price is going to be a little bit different. So, but it's still going to be applicable to what I'm going to share with you. So, Zcash has gone over the past months about 2000%, okay? It went up from like $35 to like $750. This is a bubble, okay? Zcash went into the bubble. If you don't think this is a bubble, you might have a problem, and actually you might have a problem, because then it probably means that you're probably bought in it, and you probably bought somewhere in the top, and you're going to want to hodl. But anyway, I want to show you, or for those who agree with me that it's in the bubble, it means that now it's going to have a very long and very deep way down. When things go up so much so quickly, they obtain so much liquidity very quickly, and then of course it's not also that fast as they go down, and the moves that they go down, like there is a lot of volatility as they go down, okay? So trading Zcash as it goes down, it's the idea, and it's the way how to make money, and presumably more how to make money more than anything else currently. These months, because also most of the cryptos are not very volatile these months. The past month anyway, in November they were, and they are going to be volatile again, but Zcash is volatile even now. So, and the way how, I know you can see now many lines. I can hide indicators, it's a little bit better, but still, the way how the Zcash moves on the way down is most of all on these fib levels, okay? This is what I've noticed. I didn't see anybody else talking about it. This is basically two Fibonacci measurements overlaid one over another, and one is basically from week to week, and another is basically from close on 4 hourly, from close to close. And if you can see, we bounced exactly from the top line of this fib movement. This is the line 0.618, and if you can also see, then it actually goes exactly to this line, and then it comes back. Actually, it didn't hit this green line here. That was a slight, I was expecting that, but it hit this one, and then it hit this one, and etc, etc. So it is actually hitting these lines very reliably, and you can actually trade into it. On top of that, I found this parallel channel. This is on 4 hourly, and again, the reason why we're talking Zcash is because the volatility of the Zcash is just allowing us to have superior returns to everything else right now. So what is going to happen right now is that Zcash is most likely going to hit this yellow line here, and it was almost there. So it's going to be like 477. I have a giant order there, but also it could also hit this bottom of this parallel channel, and there is also another line just below it right now. And that bottom of the channel is 455. So that's the move we are looking right now, and after it moves that, in my opinion, it's going to retest this top of this red line. This top of the red line, that's basically the Fibonacci 0.236 of the whole move up, okay? And if you can see, because I overlay the two fib levels over one another, that always this top line, when it gets hit, when you see these two green lines, when the top green was hit, it was a rejection down. When the top orange was hit, it was a rejection down. And the same I expect the next week to happen with this top red line. So there is lots of volatility right now. It's going to go down, but not as much anymore. And then we are talking going from around here, from around 477, we are talking to go at the very least to 580. And that, my dear friends, this is a move of 22%, and this is gonna happen quickly. This will be in the matter of days, probably. So 22% in the matter of days. No other crypto can reliably give you. Show me in the comment section. Tell me if you know any other. Um, this is truly an opportunity. After that, after we've hit this, we might also go a little bit higher. Let's see, depending on which day it actually happens. But after that, we are going to analyze this again. But like when you one more thing before we close this video up, when you switch to logarithmic, this is the logarithmic scale, and now we have also these fib measurements in logarithmic. Now don't mind these in the to the left. I can even disable them or actually hide them. Hide so that you can see clearer. And now this is much more clear for you. So we are now, this is to the right, that's another Fibonacci measurement, and that's the measurement of the basically top we had and the December bottom we had. It was like 60% downwards move. So when you look at these Fib measurements, you can see that this first red line, you know, perfect reaction here, and perfect, you know, also here. This orange line, no, but this green line, beyond perfect, you know, touch here. And I think that right now we are gonna go to the green line as well. So 475, like I've already told you from a different perspective, that's where we're gonna go. And I do think that also we are going to hit this orange line. So 617 sometime in January could be the top, and this is done by a different scale, different Fibonacci measurement. So, you know, you can see the confluence there.